Welcome to 99 Reasons Why. Today we're diving into two innovative products from the Kraft Geek website, the Power Shutter Power Bank Stand and the magnetic phone tripod. Let's start with the Power Shutter Power Bank Stand. At first glance, it looks sleek, compact, and ready for action, but it's more than just a stylish accessory. It's a powerful multi-tool for content creators and everyday users alike. Key features include fast charging, a stable base for both horizontal and vertical phone orientation. Next up, the MagStand magnetic phone tripod. Lightweight, flexible, and ultra-portable, this tripod is built for creators on the move. Both products are available now on Kraft Geek. Links in the description below. Now let's get into the unboxing. The Power Shutter comes neatly packed and you can immediately feel the solid build in your hands. It's lightweight yet durable, perfect for slipping into a bag or pocket on the go. Everything from the matte finish to the magnetic plate shows thoughtful design. This isn't just a power bank, it's a multifunctional tool built for creators. Here's a closer look. The USB-C input and output port means fast charging for your phone, and the device itself, you've got an easy access power button on the side and a simple switch to turn Bluetooth pairing on or off. The magnetic surface is strong, holding your phone securely in place during filming or shooting. Just snap your phone onto the magnetic pad and you're ready to go. One of the best features, the built-in Bluetooth shutter button. With a click, you can remotely take photos or start videos, perfect for selfies, vlogging, or shooting hands-free. No app needed, just pair it once and it works like magic. Next up, we have the MagStand magnetic phone tripod, another compact but powerful tool designed for creators and everyday users. Straight out of the box, the MagStand impresses with its minimalist design and high-quality finish. It's lightweight, foldable, and surprisingly strong, making it perfect for on-the-go filming or mobile photography. The magnetic phone mount snaps your phone into place instantly. No clamps, no hassle. It supports both portrait and landscape modes and stays firm even when tilted or rotated. Flexible legs mean you can stand it on a table, wrap it around poles, or use it outdoors, giving you freedom to film anywhere. Ideal for travel, vlogging, FaceTime, or live streaming, this tripod brings both portability and stability. Thanks for watching today's review of the Power Shutter Power Bank Stand and the MagStand magnetic phone tripod, two powerful tools that bring convenience, style, and function to your everyday setup. If you found this helpful, give the video a like, drop a comment with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to 99 Reasons Why for more honest reviews and smart tech finds. See you in the next one.